I am Ankur. I was born and brought up in Delhi. I realized that many of the people who are good in their respective fields, not just management or business, be it cricket commentary or be it Chetan Bhagat. I know I don't like him as a leader, but he sells. MBA makes you good at anything you do. There's this discipline. So when I came to know about MBAGuru and I came here and saw that adaptive plan, the organized way, I liked that organized way about MBAGuru, so I chose this one. The journey, I would say, has been fun. There have been days that I've cried. There have been days I've cried with teachers and I've learned from them. It's been a good one. I'll cherish this all my life. I have come a long way from where I was standing a year ago. Being a mathematics student, I always thought that quants is my strongest part. But after MBAGuru, I believe VARC is my strongest part. I believe the CAT does the time management for you, but the QA portion, which requires the utmost attention, I started feeling little lethargic maybe or little low during that section. So I believe although QA was strong to me, but the position of that subject within the whole CAT is something which came out as my weakness, that giving that attention to the last section. You have a track of how you are in any field of like any subject. It helped me better my skills, which I was not that good at in the past. It feels like it's not just my preparation, it's their preparation as well. They force me to give mock interviews and they are never like, you don't feel distanced with them. The faculty pool, that you don't just have one faculty, two faculty, three faculty, you have a whole pool, you have different perspectives. Yeah, there have been such days. I've cried and I have been like, no, this is not what I can do, it's beyond me. There have been such days, but MBAGuru has helped. The best thing about MBAGuru, it helps you vanish your weaknesses. It tries your best. It requires us to do the hard work. Mentors are with you throughout the journey. The best thing I found was that they are behind you, that they want you to work, they want you to do the homeworks and classwork. One of the best thing about all of them is they are not forcing anything on you. They just suggest you, guide you that what has helped other people regarding the same and what can be best for me. And they realize that every student is different and requires a different path to follow their journey.